Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through how to update your RECON ITR to the latest version. Let's get started. First, plug your RECON ITR into the Mac you want to update it on. You'll see several volumes appear on your desktop. Next, open your web browser and navigate to SUMURI.com. From there, go to the Software Updates page and download the RECON ITR Updater. Once the download is complete, open the DMG from your Downloads folder. Once opened, drag the Updater application into your Applications folder. Next, we need to grant the updater full disk access. First, open System Settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Then, select Full Disk Access. Click the plus button and enter your admin credentials. Then locate the RECON ITR Updater inside your Applications folder and press on Open. Once full disk access is granted, launch the updater from your Applications folder. When launching the updater, if you see a prompt asking to open an application downloaded from the internet, click Open. The updater will automatically detect your connected RECON drive and license file. If the license file is expired, you'll need to update it before updating the software. To update the software, leave Update Mode set to Online, then click Update Drive. If your lab needs an offline installation, please contact software@sumuri.com. Updating the drive will erase and reformat it. Make sure all of your data has been copied off the drive before continuing. Once you've confirmed, click Erase and Update. The updater will now begin the update process and will soon begin downloading the data files. This may take several minutes. When the updater is ready to install the downloaded updates, a password prompt will appear. Enter your admin password to continue. The latest updates will then be written to the drive. Once finished, you'll see an Update Complete notice. Your RECON ITR is now updated and running the latest version.